Looking to get into the world of cryptocurrency but don't know where to start? Perfect. We're here to help. Whether you've heard of Bitcoin or are completely new to the concept, this video is for you. Let's start with the basics. So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? In simple terms, cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. This makes it incredibly secure and often anonymous. It operates on a technology called blockchain. Think of blockchain as a public ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This decentralization means no single entity, like a bank, controls it. This is one of the key reasons why many people are drawn to cryptocurrency, because it offers a level of independence and control. Now, you might be wondering, what types of cryptocurrencies are out there? The most well-known is Bitcoin, created in 2009. But there are thousands of others. Here are a few you might have heard of. Bitcoin, BTC, is the first and most famous cryptocurrency. Ethereum, ETH, is known for its smart contracts that enable decentralized applications. Litecoin, LTC, is often referred to as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, designed for faster transactions. Ripple, XRP, focuses on cross-border payments and has partnerships with several banks. There are also many newer cryptocurrencies, each with unique features and uses. Researching them can help you find opportunities that fit your interests. Okay, now that you know what cryptocurrency is, let's talk about how to buy it. Here's a simple step-by-step process. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Platforms like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken are popular options. Make sure to choose one that's reputable and user-friendly. Create an account. You'll need to provide some personal information, like your email and ID for verification. This is to comply with regulations and ensure security. Deposit funds. You can link your bank account or use a credit card to deposit money. Some exchanges also allow you to use PayPal or other payment methods. Buy cryptocurrency. Once your account is funded, choose the cryptocurrency you want and make your purchase. You can buy fractions of a coin, so you don't need to spend a fortune to get started. Confirm your transaction. Always double-check the details before finalizing the purchase. Mistakes can happen, and transactions are typically irreversible. Now, once you've bought some crypto, you need to store it safely. There are two main types of wallets. Hot wallets are online wallets that are easy to access but can be vulnerable to hacks. They're great for trading but not ideal for long-term storage. Cold wallets are offline storage options, like hardware wallets or paper wallets, which are much safer for long-term storage. They keep your private keys secure and away from potential online threats. Consider your storage options based on how often you plan to trade versus how long you intend to hold on to your assets. Before you jump in, it's important to understand the risks. Cryptocurrency can be highly volatile. Prices can fluctuate wildly, so only invest what you can afford to lose. Additionally, make sure to do your own research. Not all projects are legitimate, and scams do exist in the space. Always check for credible information, reviews, and community feedback. It's also a good idea to start with small amounts while you familiarize yourself with the market dynamics. As you gain confidence and understanding, you can consider increasing your investments. So, what does the future hold for cryptocurrency? Many believe it's here to stay. With increasing adoption by businesses, advancements in technology, and a growing interest from institutional investors, the potential is huge. Many companies are beginning to accept crypto as payment, and countries are even exploring their own digital currencies. It's an exciting time to get involved. Before we wrap up, here are some final tips for getting started with cryptocurrency. Stay informed by following news sources and experts in the crypto space to stay updated on trends and changes. Join communities. Online forums and social media groups can be great resources for learning and sharing experiences with others. Practice patience. Crypto can be volatile. It's important to stay calm and not make impulsive decisions based on short-term price swings. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you understand the basics of cryptocurrency. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on crypto and finance. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer. Until next time, happy investing.